technology, the introduction of the nano-oven, brief nano-oven, what is mean by nano-oven and nano-oven technologies, nano applications and comparison between the oven and non-ovens and comparison between the non-ovens and knitting and ovens. So this type of techniques we have to see now. Okay, first of all, nano-oven means that, as the name indicates, nano-ovens are not oven fabrics. Without weaving is called as a nano-oven. Fibers with fibers or filaments without weaving is called as a non-ovens. Non-oven fabrics. Non-oven fabrics are products made up of parallel laid or cross laid or random laid staple fibers. Web filament layers are combination of both, bonded by mechanical methods, adhesives applications and thermoplastic materials under application of heat and pressures. Their definition includes the type of materials used in the nano-ovens, natural and man-made, and staple and filament, and arrangement of fibers in the web like parallel, perpendicular and random. Method of bonding fibers: mechanical bonding, chemical adhesive bonding and chemical thermal bonding. Definition of nano-ovens: a manufacturing sheet, web or bat of directionally or randomly oriented fibers bonded by friction and are cohesive adhesive, excluding paper and products which are woven, knitted, tufted, stitch bonded, incorporating binding yarns or filaments, or felted by wet milling, whether or not additionally needed. Non-woven compared with paper more than 50% by means of its fibrous content is made up of fibers, excluding chemical digested vegetable fibers, with a length of diameter ratio greater than 300, or more than 30% by mass of fibrous content is made up of fibers as an above, and meeting one or both of the following criteria: length to diameter ratio more than 600, the density of the fabric is less than 0.4 grams per cc. Advantage of non-oven method of producing fabrics: cost effective process is very low. It skips intermediary process, spinning, weaving, preparatory weaving. High productivity compared to conventional weaving and knitting. Scope of non-ovens: non-ovens are not useful for apparel purpose like woven fabric. Non-ovens are mainly used in home furnishing, industrial textiles and technical applications. Character properties of non-ovens: non-ovens fabrics cover textile fabrics. Non-oven fabrics covers textile fabrics based on mechanically bonded fibrous layers such as webs, and textile fabrics cased on adhesive bonded fibrous layers as well as mechanically bound and adhesive bond laminated fabrics comprising several textiles and non-textile layers. It is therefore difficult to specify the common features or characteristics of such a wide and structurally different range of products. Characteristics properties of non-ovens: high thickness when compared to ovens, cannot be easily cut and made into garments. A high flexural rigidity of the non-oven fabrics, less flexibility, bending behavior, and it is a porous nature and have high stiffness and less hand values, development of deformation. Typical application of non-ovens: technical applications, hospital fabrics, surgical gowns, face masks, geotextiles, consumer and industrial wipes, and upholstery paddings. Hospital use: surgical gowns and drapes, operation cover sheets, bed sheets, towel wound dressings and gauges, and medical uses: operation theater bandages and threadings of sutures of operations, masks, Medical issues means we have tissue, cotton products and pads, sanitary products, baby wipes, wipes for households, industrial wipes, home furnishing, consumer pre-motion wipes, tablecloths, napkins and curtains, technical applications, filtrations, roofing, protective apparel, others insulations, water repellent finishing, interlining for jackets, coating substrates for synthetic leather, wipes for car cleaning, short life non-ovens, hygienic, wipes, medical surgical, air filtration, liquid filtration, disposal apparel. Long life non-ovens are used for interlinings, furnishings and beddings, shoe and leathers, coated laminateds, floor coverings and carpet backings, building constructions, geotextiles and civil engineering, automotive, electronic components and agriculture landscaping. Now, in fibers used in the non-ovens, traditional fibers, PET, polypropylene, nylon, cotton, rayon, wool, lyocell, and monoacrylic. These type of fibers are used in the non-ovens. High-tech fibers, aramid fibers, conductive nylon fibers, biocomponent fibers, melamine fibers, superabsorbent fibers, halo fibers, spandex fibers, fusible cooped fibers, glass microfibers, chlorofibers, antibacterial fibers, stainless steel fibers, rubber thread fibers, polytetrafluoroethylene fibers. These type of high-tech fibers are also used in the non-woven fabrics for technical applications like geotextiles, transportation textiles, and high-performance textiles. And limitations of the non-ovens. Non-ovens cannot be used apparel purpose, shedding, shooting, saris, and laminated uses are fashion wear and kids wear. So this is the brief introduction of the non-ovens. Thank you.